Okay guys, today I'm going to show you 5 websites that will pay you in next 24 hours. And actually, to be more precise, they will pay you 24 hours since you finish the task, just to be more precise. And some of these websites I tested myself. For some of these websites, I talked with the people who are actually working on this website. And for all of these websites, I actually did a research. So these are 5 legit and trusted websites where you can find work from home jobs. And all of these websites are available worldwide. So without further ado, let's start. Now, 5th website on this list is OneSpace. Now, OneSpace is an e-commerce platform, but they also have OneSpace freelance page. And they're actually hiring different kind of freelancers to do different kind of tasks for them. Programming, graphic design, translation on different kind of languages, and so on and so on. And they're also working with some really big companies, and they're often hiring freelancers to do the tasks for those companies as well. And they have daily payments, which means they're paying the freelancers every day, which means as soon as you finish your task and your task is approved, you will get payment in next 24 hours. And because this is a freelance website, you have a flexible working time, which means you basically choose your own working hours. And to apply on this website, all you have to do is just here in upper right corner, click here on apply, and you need to fill all of these fields here. And on the end, you need to simply click here on proceed, and you will send your application to this website, and they will review your application. And if you're satisfied, they will actually approve you, and you can start working with OneSpace freelance. Now, the reason why this website is on 5th position is because it's not that easy to get accepted into their program. 4th website on this list is Cumi. Now, Cumi will pay you to shop, to compare prices, to research brands and stuff like that. But they will also pay you to search Google, Bing and other search engines. But they will also pay you to do surveys. And when you go on Trustpilot, you will see that Cumi got 4,000 reviews. And on average, they got 4.4 stars, which is good rating, really good rating considering the number of reviews. And they actually have lots of surveys every day, and it is available worldwide. And they will actually pay you in next 24 hours. They're paying their freelancers every day. And unlike other websites, similar websites who are paying you to do surveys, these guys will actually pay you cash. They will pay you money on your PayPal account. Unlike these other guys who will give you gift cards, gift certificates and stuff like that. Like I said, these guys, they will pay you money in next 24 hours. And the reason why this website is 4th on the position is because actually with these surveys, you cannot make that much money. And that is why this website is 4th on this list. 3rd on this list is Google Opinion Rewards. Now, we all heard for Google, we know Google is trusted websites, which means this is also a trusted website, and you can be sure that you will actually get paid for the tasks that you finish. Now, what is Google Opinion Rewards? Now, Google is actually doing surveys, and Google is actually hiring ordinary people just like you, like me, to give them opinion on different kind of Google products. And also, Google is working with some really big companies, and they are helping those big companies to get opinion of ordinary people, of their users about the different kind of products, different kind of surveys. So basically, what you will going to do, you will be actually helping Google and other big companies to improve their products, to improve their services. So all you have to do is just go on Google Play Store and install Google Opinion Rewards application on your smartphone. Now, and you can start giving your opinion about different kind of Google products and also products and services of other big companies. Now, the reason why Google Opinion Rewards is on 3rd position is because if you install this on your Android, you will actually get gift certificates and gift cards, which is actually not that bad because you can watch movies for free. You can get discounts on different kind of stores like Amazon and so on and so on. But if you install this on your iPhone, you can actually get direct payments on your bank account. And this is why Google Opinion Rewards is on 3rd position. Now, 2nd on the list is ClearVoice. Now, ClearVoice is a freelance website just like Upwork or Fiverr. Now, even though their main service is actually voiceover and they're mainly hiring voice artists, you can actually do different kind of tasks on this website. You can do blogs and article writing, you can do transcriptions, translations, you can even be a social media manager. And actually, when you go on Trustpilot, you will see that more than 700 people reviewed this website, and on average they got 4.6 stars, which is pretty good rating. And when you go and apply on for the job on this website, you will see that you can actually set up your own rate, which means you will set up how much you wish to charge for different kind of services that you are providing, and if your client likes that, they will actually hire you and you will get the job. If not, well, you won't get hired. And as you can see here, you can get paid every 24 hours. They're paying their freelancers every day, and you will get the money straight to your PayPal account. Now, the reason why this website is second on the list is because they're mainly hiring voice artists, and they mostly have jobs for voiceover, not that many jobs for other services. Now, first website on this list is user testing. If you're one of those people who like to test a different kind of stuff, then this company is perfect for you. These guys will pay you to test different kind of products, different kind of softwares, websites, applications, and stuff like that. And they are also working with some really big companies like GoDaddy, Canva, Hewlett-Packard, Subway, and so on and so on. And they are mostly looking for UX and UI designers, which means these are all highly paid tasks. And actually, when you go on Trustpilot, you will see that almost 1,000 people reviewed this company, and they got 4.6 stars on average, which is pretty good review, and which is pretty good rating. And to actually apply for the job, to apply for this company, all you have to do is just here in upper right corner click on Get Paid to Test. And you will come to this page here, and here you can get more information. Here you can see how it works. Here you can see you need to apply for the job on this website. You need to browse through test opportunities, and you need to test those different kind of applications, softwares, websites, and so on and so on. And you will get paid for your opinion about those websites, those applications, softwares, products, and stuff like that. And they do accept people from all around the world, and payments are fast. So as soon as you finish your task, as soon as you give your opinion about different kind of products, your client needs to approve your opinion, and as soon as that happens, you can ask for your payment, and your payment will be sent to you in next 24 hours. Now, the reason why this website is on first position is because they are mostly looking for UX and UI designers, which means all of these tasks, all of these tests are actually highly paid, which means you can actually make a good money testing these different kind of products, different kind of websites, software, and applications. And that is why this website is first on this list. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.